In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the recliner handle in this Chevy Silverado. Let's get into it. Using a Phillips head screwdriver, take the screw out in the middle. Pull that out. Grab the handle, and it just slides right off. Line the handle up. There is a slot. Goes right there. Take the screw and tighten it down. Just snug, not too tight, and check the operation. Works good.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.